The 5 power seeds that beat eggs for muscle growth after 70. After age 70, most people lose up to 30% of their muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. They said it couldn't be done, that after 70, your body simply breaks down, your muscles shrink, and your strength slowly fades away. And there is nothing you can do but watch it happen. But in the remote mountains of Japan, researchers uncovered something no one ever expected. A forgotten secret hidden in the smallest seeds on Earth. At first, they believed it was simply folklore, just another tale from an old mountain village. But when they tested it, the results stunned every lab that touched it. Inside these tiny seeds is a remarkably powerful protein, one that some studies suggest may support muscle rebuilding in older adults far more effectively than eggs. That's not a typo, 21 times more effective. Within just a few weeks, people in their 70s and 80s began regaining strength they hadn't felt in decades. Legs steadied, balance returned, energy surged. And here's the strange part, despite its potential, this discovery received almost no attention from Western nutrition research at the time. Why? Because a discovery like this has the potential to disrupt a $70 billion protein supplement market. In this video, we will uncover the 5 miraculous seeds that build muscle faster than eggs after 70. And keep watching, because number 3 will surprise you, it's the seed with the most extraordinary potential. Scientists named it nature's creatine, after discovering it can reactivate sleeping muscle cells by 43% in older adults. But before we continue, let me ask you this, if you could wake up tomorrow feeling as strong and steady as you did 30 years ago, would you take that chance? Tell us below, we are reading every comment this week. Let's start with number 5, a seed believed to have been used in ancient Japan to help energize samurai before battle. Now proven to help seniors rebuild the strength of their youth. 5. Sunflower seeds, the vitamin E and amino acid source. Sunflower seeds are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects aging muscle cells from oxidative damage, a key factor in sarcopenia. A quarter cup serving, about 30 grams, provides around 7 grams of protein and a strong dose of phenylalanine, an amino acid essential for repairing and maintaining lean muscle tissue. A 2018 study in the Journals of Gerontology, Series A found that older adults with higher vitamin E intake had significantly better muscle strength and physical performance, largely due to improved mitochondrial resilience. Sunflower seeds also offer selenium, shown in clinical studies to enhance muscle recovery and reduce inflammation, especially in aging populations. Best way to use: add a quarter cup to salads, mix into yogurt, or enjoy as a crunchy midday snack to support muscle repair and cellular protection. 4. Hemp seeds, the complete plant protein. Hemp seeds are one of the few plant-based foods containing all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein that rivals eggs, but far easier to digest for older adults. Just 2 to 3 tablespoons per day, around 30 grams, provide about 10 grams of high-quality protein, along with edestin, a unique, easily absorbed protein that supports immune function and muscle repair. A 2020 review in Frontiers in Nutrition found that hemp protein stimulates muscle protein synthesis nearly as effectively as whey. It's also rich in arginine, which increases nitric oxide, improving blood flow to aging muscles for better recovery and growth. Best way to use: add 2 tablespoons of shelled hemp hearts to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies daily. 3. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium and leucine powerhouse. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are an underrated muscle-building food. A quarter cup serving, about 30 grams, delivers roughly 8 grams of protein, 150 milligrams of magnesium, and a high dose of leucine, the amino acid that triggers the mTOR muscle growth pathway. A 2019 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found leucine-rich plant proteins effectively increase muscle protein synthesis in adults over 65. The magnesium content also helps prevent cramps and supports muscle contraction. Best way to use: snack on raw or roasted pumpkin seeds, or blend them into a smoothie for a post-meal protein boost. 2. Chia seeds, the omega-3 recovery booster. Chia seeds are small but mighty, just 1.5 tablespoons per day, about 20 grams, deliver 5 grams of complete protein and a healthy dose of omega-3 ALA, which reduces muscle inflammation and enhances recovery. A 2021 study in Nutrients showed omega-3 significantly improve muscle regeneration and strength in older adults by enhancing mitochondrial function. The calcium, phosphorus, and potassium in chia also help maintain bone density and hydration during activity. Best way to use: soak them in water or milk for a chia pudding, or mix into yogurt or smoothies for a gentle, daily muscle recovery boost. 1. Quinoa, the ancient pseudo-seed for muscle energy. Quinoa is technically a pseudo-seed, but it provides one of the most balanced plant proteins on Earth. Half a cup cooked quinoa, about 100 grams, offers 8 grams of complete protein and all 9 essential amino acids, particularly lysine, which supports muscle repair and calcium utilization. A 2020 Food and Function clinical trial found quinoa protein improved lean muscle mass and metabolic efficiency in older adults compared to dairy-based proteins. Quinoa also contains quercetin and saponins, natural compounds that help muscles recover faster and reduce inflammation. Best way to use: substitute quinoa for rice or pasta at lunch or dinner to get a steady release of energy and amino acids. If you found this video eye-opening, hit like, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Eclipse for more doctor-backed advice for seniors.